In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new vehicle on Lyft. To get started, open the Lyft Driver app on your iPhone or Android device and sign in to your account if you are not already logged in. Make sure you are using the Driver app, not the regular Passenger app, since vehicle settings are managed from the driver's side. Once you're in, take a moment to confirm that the app is fully loaded so you can easily access your account options. Next, open your account settings. You can usually do this by tapping your profile picture or the menu icon depending on the version of the app you have. From there, go to the account section or directly to vehicles. Lyft may display things a little differently from one device to another, but the goal here is to find the area where your current vehicle information is stored. When you reach the Vehicles section, tap Add Vehicle. This will begin the process of registering another car to your driver account. If you plan to switch between more than one vehicle, this is the section you'll come back to in the future as well. Now enter your vehicle information carefully. You'll be asked for details like the vehicle make, model, model year, color, license plate number, and possibly the VIN if Lyft requests it. It's important that everything matches your official vehicle registration exactly. Even small mistakes can slow down approval, so it's a good idea to double check spellings, numbers, and formatting before moving on. After that, upload the required documents. In most cases, this includes your vehicle registration and proof of insurance, and in some areas you may also need to provide a vehicle inspection certificate. Make sure the photos are clear, current, and easy to read. Try to take the pictures in good lighting and avoid glare, blur, or cropped edges, since unreadable documents can delay the review process. Once all of your information and documents are entered, review everything one more time and then tap Submit. This sends your new vehicle details to Lyft for approval. Before submitting, it helps to do one last check to make sure every document is valid and every field is accurate. Now you'll need to wait for approval. Lyft will review the information you provided and notify you once the vehicle is approved, or let you know if they need anything else. This notification may appear in the app or by email, so keep an eye on both. After your vehicle is approved, go back to the Vehicles section and select the newly approved vehicle before you go online to drive. That final step is important because your account needs to show the correct active vehicle before